A very warm good morning, dear students. Dear students, we are just continuing with the same chapter, that is a proposition, and the after. And we had already seen some of the specialities of these prepositions, and we are familiar with many of the prepositions now. So today, I think we can just continue with the page number 58. Fill in the blanks. First one always E, exercise number E. Fill in the blanks using during or while. So these. Okay, well, let us see first one. We spotted Simi and chatted with her dash the interval of the movie. So what you will be writing? We spotted Simi and chatted with her. So you can write the most suiting word will be during or while. During. So you can write during the interval of the movie. During the interval of the movie. Okay, now the doorbell rang thrice. Dash, we were having dinner. The doorbell rang thrice while we were having dinner. So you can write that while. Then third one, please don't interrupt me. Dash, I am talking. So you can write during or while. While. Please don't interrupt me while I am talking. Okay? Please don't interrupt me while I am talking. Now, she never once went to the library. Dash, her first year at college. She never once went to the library during her first year at college. Okay, she never once went to the library during her first year at college. Okay, fine. Then the fifth one. I read a dozen books. Dash, I was in the hospital. I read a dozen books. Dash, I was in the hospital. So what the correct one will be? While, no? While I was in the hospital. While I was in the hospital. No. Okay, fine. Then sixth one. For the past week or so, we have been hearing a child cry during the night, right? During the night only. For the past week also we have been hearing a child cry during the night or while the night, during the night. Okay, seventh one. She was bitten by a snake thrice during her research in the rainforest. She was bitten by snakes thrice during her research in the rainforest. Now, next one. Eighth, he wrote his autobiography during his stay in the prison. Okay, he wrote his autobiography during his stay in the prison. Fill in the blanks using until or by. Don't pay the phone bill yet. Wait, so you have to use here until or by. Okay, don't pay the phone bill yet. Wait. Chance the phone company contacts you regarding your complaint. Don't pay the phone bill yet. Wait until the phone company contacts you regarding your complaint. Okay, now second one. She's staying with her friend Dash Monday. After that, she will move into her own apartment. So, what will be? She is staying with her friend until Monday. Until Monday. After that, she will move into her own apartment. Okay? Fine. Third one. I must leave now because I have to be home by 5 o'clock. I must leave now because I have to be home by 5 o'clock. Fine. We can't rest. Task, we have met her and talked to her. We can't rest until we have met her and talked to her. See. So you can write, we can rest until we have met her and talked to her. Already said. And fifth one, it is hoped that the construction will finish by next month. So you can write by next month. It is hoped that the construction will finish by next month. Sixth one, we won't have another holiday until next summer. We won't have another holiday until next summer. So seventh one, the plan has to submitted by 3 o'clock today. The plan has to submitted to be submitted. Okay, the plan has to be submitted by 3 o'clock today. Okay, by. Then she did not believe me until I showed her the letter. She did not believe me until I showed her the letter. Okay. Okay, fine. We move to prepositions of direction. These can be contrasted well with the prepositions of place. Prepositions of direction include out of, across, down, onto, into, through, off, long, to, from, towards, over, through, up, down, etc. Okay, out of, across, down, onto, into, through, off, long, to, from, towards, over, through, up, down, etc. So we'll let us see fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions of movement in the following sentences. Let us see. You have to go down the stairs and then along the corridor to reach the auditorium. You have to go down the stairs and then along the corridor to reach the auditorium. So now next one. Miss Khanna got into a taxi. Okay. Miss Khanna got into a taxi and quickly drove away to the hospital. Okay. 2. The police chased the car over the bridge and through the tunnel before forcing it to stop. The police chased the car over the bridge and through the tunnel before forcing it to stop. Then next one, fourth one. If you walk along the river and then turn what we can say towards the market, you can see you will reach the school. If you walk along the river and then turn towards the market, you will reach the school. Now, the clown kept falling off the horse and then at once jumping on its back again, only to fall off again. Yes? Once again. The clown kept falling off the horse and then at once jumping on its back again, only to fall off again. Now, she tried to swim across the river where it was narrow. She tried to swim across the river where it was narrow. Seventh one, the boat sailed along the coast. The boat sailed along the coast. So eighth one, I can't fit so many clothes. Okay, you can see that. Inside the small bag. I can't fit so many clothes inside this small bag. Ninth one, he hurriedly made his way towards the crowd to where the injured person was lying. He hurriedly made his way towards the crowd to where the injured person was lying. So next one, 10th one, why can't you walk through the gates like normal people? You always enter by jumping over the wall. Why can't you walk through the gates like normal people? You always enter by jumping over the wall. Now let us move to see about prepositional phrases. So let us see what is a prepositional phrases. prepositional phrase is a phrase that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. So that starts with prepositional phrase is a phrase that starts with a preposition but and ends with a noun or pronoun. You see that I got that present from Lena. Okay, so see, preposition is there from Lena. This song was on the radio. Radio is the noun there. See, preposition on this. On is there and it is ending with the noun radio. So, prepositional phrase also function as adverbs and adjectives also prepositional phrase. Okay, prepositional phrase also function as adverbs and adjectives. So, that is also. So, it has got different functions. Okay, prepositional phrase has got a different function. So, you can see prepositions with the forms of transport. Transport. We use by followed by the form of transport without the articles a and or the. So both articles, both definite and indefinite articles are not used. See examples. Journey by train is more enjoyable than by bus. Not a or an. Articles are not used. Now, we had to travel to the caves, not by the boat, but it is by boat. Not by the bus, but it is by bus. We had to travel to the caves by boat. So, that is, please keep in your mind, by boat only, not by the boat. So, when you are using it as a proposal phrase, see that, okay, there will not be any articles. When the reference is to a specific car or bike, we do not use by. So, we don't use by. You see, my cousins traveled in their uncle's car, not by their uncle's car. When we are speaking about a specific car, particular car, no? When you are pointing out to a specific car or a particular thing, we are speaking about something particular, we don't use any by. We don't use by. Instead of that, we have to use something else. You see, my cousins traveled in their uncle's car, and B, the young man went there on his bike, not by his bike. The young man went there on his bike. Okay, fine. So that is just there is some instruction. Shifting of prepositions. In many cases, it is possible to shift the prepositions to the end position, even though it is better to avoid doing so. Okay, some cases you can see possible. Sometimes it is possible to shift the preposition to the end position. So examples: it is difficult to walk fast in these shoes. These shoes are difficult to walk fast in. Sometimes it is placed at the end, but most probably it should be avoided. Okay, it is not good to keep that at the end, but some cases it is used. So, in case of questions, however, it is normal to have the prepositions in the end position. Where is the bus going to? So, that is the questions and so on. You see that questions. So, we interrogative sentences you can use. This way we use. Where is this bus going to? Or what are you talking about? So, that is only. Now, let us see the exercise also. I think that will be the end of what end? Something more is there. Okay, let us see. Fill in the blanks by choosing suitable prepositions from the brackets. Let's see. The boy poured the liquid into the beaker. Not in, but into the beaker. So that is something pouring into the beaker. The boy poured the liquid into the beaker. His friends were swimming in the pool. Not into the pool, but it will be in the pool. She wrote the address. She wrote the address on the envelope. On the envelope. She lifted the child onto the table. She lifted the child onto the table. Fifth one. The old man was so angry that he shouted at, not to, he shouted at the unruly fellow. The old man was so angry that he shouted at the unruly fellow. And sixth one, since I was at a distance, she shouted to me from her seat. Since I was not at me, but to be, since I was at a distance, she shouted to me from her seat. Fine. Usually we travel by bus, not today. We went in my friend's car. Yes. Their guest arrived in a taxi. Their guest